Hey guys, it is the 17th of December and we have that 25 millimeter padlock. That's what we got today. Let's see if we can open this one. Yeah, we're going with some small locks now. Just to see if we can both to pick some of those as well, but also to put at the bottom of the tree so we hopefully don't get too many of them scraping the floor. That might be a little too small. That seems better. Alright, let's see if we can get this one. One. Come on. 3. Okay. Let's try that again. 1. Touch 2. Pin 3. Huh? Why you no open? One. 2. 3. Okay, there you go. All right. No, stay. All right. Let's see. Elric. Half diamond. Esric. Nope. Can't really get it in there. Same. No. All right. Anyway, let's get that thing on the tree. Right there. Oh, you didn't see. I put it right there. 17 on the tree. 7 more to go. Alright. That's what you get for today. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck. And have a great day.